Welcome back to Viscount Leisure in Southampton. Okay, another one. 2016 Expression 584. It's a transverse island bed with an end washroom. Nice and clean for 2016. Really is nice. Nice spec on it as well, with an outdoor barbecue point and power point. Also got a auto engage motor mover. Makes it nice and easy for moving around. The pre-mounts for a two-leg bike rack on the back as well, as you can see. But let's go inside and have a look. We've dressed her up a little bit just so you can see what it might look like when you get your stuff in there. So we've got a lovely kitchen area. Loads of light coming from the skylights and the side windows in the lounge area. Fantastic. Really well looked after, this van's been. Got a three-way fridge there, a Thetford one. Also a separate oven and grill, 3-burner gas hob, and a microwave as well there as well. So we've got lots of cooking facilities. Truma blown air heating, which is great. We've got our TV aerial point and also a mounting for it, TV mount there as well. Fantastic transverse island bed. In its day mode at the moment, we can of course extend that out to make it slightly larger. Just makes it a bit more easy when we are moving around during the day. Little vanity unit. Really is a cracking bit of kit, this. Thetford toilet. That's a chemical cassette toilet with a full shower. Lovely spacious washroom at the back. As you can see, nice, light and airy, which is what we want from a caravan. So really is a nice bit of kit, this. 2016. Give us a shout if you want to come down and have a look. We would be love to make you a cup of coffee while you have a look around. If not, we can always do a video appointment with you via a video call. But yeah, if you've got any questions, give us a shout. Viscount Leisure in Southampton.